Hi guys, I am telling you about the Bhoostatic. Bhoostatic is the cough syrup. Friends, this cough syrup used for the dry cough. It contains dextromethorphan hydrobromide 10 mg and CPM 2 mg and phenylephrine 5 mg. And friends, this brand having the measuring cap, and this measuring cap giving 2.5 and 5 ml and 10 ml measuring point. And this brand is also sugar free, friends. And this brand is manufactured in Taksak Life Science, which is GMP certified, and ISO certified, and WHO also certified. And this brand is trending most because it has a very good response in the market. Is costing 75 rupees only, and the brand marketed by Bhuri Pharmaceutical Company. This company is Noida based company, and the beneficial point of this syrup is this brand not causes the sedation, and because most of the brand in the market are coming with the dextromethorphan 15 mg combination, because